Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Reddit ads. So let's get started. First, you need to set up a Reddit ad account. Start by signing into your Reddit account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Reddit ads platform by opening a new tab and typing ads.reddit.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Reddit account. Next, you'll be prompted to set up your advertising account. This is straightforward, just follow the prompts. Start by entering your business information, including your first and last name, the legal name of your business, and your business website. You'll also need to specify the type of business you're in, choosing the category that best fits your company. After this, you'll enter your billing details. If you have a promo code, you can apply it here to receive a discount or add credits. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be inside the Reddit Ads Manager. Here, you have the option to start a new campaign. You can either use the Simple Create option for a quick setup or the Advanced Create option if you want access to more tools and features. Begin by naming your campaign and choosing your main objective, such as brand awareness or driving traffic to your website. Reddit offers various marketing goals, so select the one that aligns with your campaign. Now, focus on the creative aspects of your ad, like the logo, headline, and destination URL. You can also choose a call to action button, such as Learn More, and see a preview of how your ad will look. Additionally, you can allow comments on your ad if you wish. After setting up the creative, move on to targeting and delivery options. Here, you can define your audience by selecting locations, interests, and other criteria. You'll also see an estimate of how many people your ad could reach based on your daily budget. Set the start date for your campaign and choose whether to have an end date or let the campaign run indefinitely. Adjust your daily budget to see how it affects the estimated impressions and clicks. Once satisfied, add your payment method to publish the ad. After publishing, you can monitor your campaign's performance on the dashboard where you can see metrics like impressions, clicks, and cost per 1,000 impressions. If you need to make changes to your ad, it's recommended to wait about 5 to 7 days after the campaign starts to see what's working and what's not. Use this information to optimize your ad and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, once everything is set up and running, Reddit advertising can be a highly effective and rewarding tool, especially if you take the time to understand and engage with your target communities. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.